Assurance Wireless allows you to use your own phone, known as Bring Your Own Phone or BYOP, if it's compatible. This gives you device choice and supports sustainability by reducing electronic waste. To be compatible, your phone needs to be an unlocked GSM phone that meets Verizon's LTE and 5G specifications, since Assurance Wireless operates on Verizon's network. Crucially, it must be unlocked, meaning not tied to another carrier like AT&T or T-Mobile. Key requirements include supporting Verizon's specific frequency bands, such as LTE bands 2, 4, 13, 66, and 71, and 5G bands N2, N5, N41, N66, N77, and N260. The easiest way to check compatibility is through the online BYOP checker tool at assurancewireless.com/BYOP. Log into your account, navigate to the BYOP section, and enter your phone's IMEI. You can find your IMEI in your phone's settings or by dialing 06. The tool will tell you if your phone is compatible, incompatible, or needs unlocking. As of July 2025, Assurance Wireless supports select 5G phones like the iPhone 15 series and Samsung Galaxy S24 models if they are factory unlocked and compatible with Verizon's bands. If your phone is incompatible, consider purchasing a supported device or using the free phone from Assurance Wireless.